Hello viewers, let's simplify this. 54f power 2 minus 6 over 3f minus 1. Now when you look at this numerator, you will observe that there is something they have in common, which is 6. So we will now factor it out. When we factor 6 out, we will have 54f power 2 divided by 6. It will give us 9f power 2. Since what we have here, this f is raised to power 2, that 9, let us express it in this form as well, which is 3. 9 is the same thing as 3 power 2 f power 2, okay, minus 1 all over the denominator, 3f minus 1. Now, this is the same thing as 6 bracket open 3f in bracket power 2 minus 1 power 2. These two things are the same over 3f minus 1. Now, when I apply the difference of 2 squared, look at what I mean by difference of 2 squared. If we have a power 2 minus c power 2, this is the same thing as a minus c in bracket and the what? A plus c. So when I express this numerator in this form, we will have 6 bracket open 3f minus 1 bracket closes and what? 3f plus 1 bracket closes over the denominator, and the denominator is what? 3f minus 1. So when we cancel out what they have in common, which is this into this, we will be left with 6 bracket open 3f plus 1 bracket closes. So either you leave your answer like this, or you can express your answer in this form by removing brackets. If you use 6 to multiply this, it will give us 18f plus 6 times 1, it will give us 6. So these two, any of these can go. Okay. Now, if you understand this, attempt this. Simplify 52 t power 2 minus 13 over 2t minus 1. Okay. Solve this and drop your answer in comment section. But please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, and try your best to share my videos so that your friends and your well-wishers will as well benefit. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.